hear the truck tires coming up the gravel road, but it's not like him to drop that song when nothing's on the radio. Footsteps on the front porch, I hear my doorbell. He usually comes right in. Now I can tell. Here comes goodbye. Here comes the last time. Here comes me wishing things had never changed. He was right here in my arms tonight. But here comes goodbye. Yesterday, and I could see it written on his face that he had never felt this way. One day I thought he'd see me with my daddy by my side and violins would play. Here comes the bride, but here comes goodbye. Here comes the last time. Here comes the start.
We should go.